In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change shipping address on Alibaba. We'll walk through the exact flow Alibaba uses during checkout so you can update where your order will be delivered quickly and correctly. Start by heading to Alibaba.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll see categories, a search bar, and a variety of products. The shipping address field only appears once you begin an order, so the fastest way to change or add an address is to initiate a purchase flow. Browse to the item you plan to order. You can use the search bar or scroll the home page to find a product that fits your needs. On the product page, look for the option to place a sample order. This is a common way suppliers allow you to test a product, and it conveniently takes you into the order setup where the shipping address is entered or changed. Click the sample order option to proceed. Next, choose Start Order. This opens Alibaba's guided checkout. The interface may vary slightly by supplier, but the flow is similar. You'll see on-screen steps that walk you through quantity, specifications, delivery options, and shipping details. Follow the prompts at your own pace, reviewing each section as you go. If you're returned to the product page or see another Start Order button, that's normal. Click Start Order again to move forward to the contract or order confirmation page. The goal is to reach the section where shipping details are collected. When you arrive at the shipping information area, enter your address details carefully. Include the recipient name, street address with unit or suite number if applicable, city, state or province, postal code, and country. Make sure the format matches local postal standards to avoid delivery delays. If a phone field is required, ensure it's accurate and reachable because couriers often use it for delivery updates. Double-check spelling and numbers before continuing. As you confirm the address, watch for any notes about delivery areas, business versus residential addresses, or customs requirements for your country. After you update the address, shipping methods and costs may recalculate based on your location. Give the page a moment to refresh and then review the new estimates so you know exactly what to expect. That's it. By starting an order, following the on-screen progress, and entering the correct address in the shipping section, you effectively change where your Alibaba order will be delivered. Take a moment to review everything before finalizing, and you'll avoid most common delivery issues.